Hey students, crashing Android apps, killing your grades? You're pouring hours into that school project, only for it to break on launch day? Been there, but not anymore. I'm from AiToolslink, and today I've got 9 powerful AI tools you can use to test your Android apps perfectly in 2025. From catching bugs before your professor does, to real-time crash analytics that save your final year project. These tools are here to help you shine. Let's dive in, and trust me, tool number 6 is a must-have. Tool 1, Firebase Test Lab. AI. First up, we've got Firebase Test Lab AI. This powerhouse lets you run your app on real devices in the cloud, using AI to simulate random user actions. Feature: smart monkey testing with AI-based UI exploration. Benefit: it catches unpredictable crashes before your teacher finds them. Stick around for Tool 2. It saves hours of debugging. Tool 2, Appium plus AI Assistant. Tool number 2 is Appium with AI Assistant integration. You already know Appium for UI testing, but in 2025, its AI Assistant automatically writes test cases from your app flow. Feature: AI-generated test scripts for user interactions. Benefit: saves time, reduces bugs, and earns you those sweet bonus points in class. Tool 3, bitrise AI Pipelines. Next is bitrise with AI Pipelines, a game changer for continuous integration. It analyzes your build history and predicts breaking changes before you even push code. Feature: predictive failure alerts. Benefit: no more last-minute project crashes the night before submission. Tool 4, Test AI Meet Test.ai, an AI tester that thinks like a real user. It scans your app for visual bugs and broken flows using machine learning. Feature: autonomous UI testing with vision-based navigation. Benefit: makes your app look polished and professional, exactly what your project grade needs. Tool 5, instabug AI. Tool 5 is instabug AI, because bug reports shouldn't come from your group mates after launch. Feature: AI-enhanced crash analytics with real-time alerts. Benefit: fix issues before your classmates spot them and save face during presentations. Tool 6, Diff Blue Cover for Android. Must-have. Tool 6 is an absolute must-have. Diff Blue Cover for Android. This tool writes unit tests automatically using AI. Yes, you heard right. Feature: auto-generates test code from your methods. Benefit: makes you look like a testing genius even if you've never written a test before. True story, my friend Sarah used Diff Blue for her final app project. She had no testing experience, but the tool covered 90% of her app in tests. She scored A+, and her professor thought she was a pro. Tool 7, AiToolslink Eyes with AI. Coming in at number 7 is AiToolslink Eyes. This tool uses AI to check visual consistency across devices, because what works on a Pixel might break on a Samsung. Feature: AI-powered visual regression testing. Benefit: your UI will look flawless. No weird button placements or cut-off text during your demo. Tool 8, Rapido AI Recorder. Tool 8 is Rapido AI Recorder, testing without writing a single line of code. It records your actions, turns them into test cases, and runs them automatically. Feature: no-code UI testing with AI optimization. Benefit: great for students who are short on time or not into writing test scripts. Instant results, less stress. Tool 9, Launchable Predictive Test. Selection, and finally, Launchable. Its AI predicts which tests matter most based on your code changes. Feature: predictive test selection to run only relevant tests. Benefit: speeds up your testing, saves time, and lets you submit before the deadline. And that's a wrap on the 9 best AI tools for testing your Android apps in 2025. Whether you're debugging your first app or trying to impress your project panel, these tools have your back. Which one will you try first? Drop your app crash horror stories in the comments. We've all been there. Smash that like button. Hit subscribe for more student-friendly AI tips, and remember, AiToolslink is here to turn your late-night crash sessions into straight A projects. Catch you in the next one.